Hey besties, I'm sure most of you have seen our previous dip ombre hack. We love that one because it was so easy, but it didn't work great for light colors like white. Well, today I'm here to show you an even easier way to create a beautiful flawless ombre with dip powder, and this one even works for lighter colors. Let me show you. I'm going to show you two different ombres today. The first will be with Tropic Like It's Hot and Renewed, and the second will be with Petal Dust and Pure White. This technique begins the same as any traditional dip application, with applying bond to the nail, applying base where the tip meets the natural nail, and dipping into natural powder, and applying base to 3/4 of the nail, and dipping into natural powder. Since I'm using a swatch stick today, however, I'll be skipping those steps and starting with my color. Now the most important step in this process is to choose the right color to start with. To do that, you'll want to look at your two colors and choose the lighter of the two. For this first look, it's Renewed. So I'll apply base a hairline away from the cuticle and dip into Renewed. And Dust. Next, I'm going to apply base again to the entire nail and dip into Renewed once more, dusting off any excess. Then I'll grab Tropic Like It's Hot and a small fluffy brush. I'm going to start applying this and blending it like I would with any eyeshadow. It's important to work fast with this step because you want to do it before the base is completely dry. Dust any excess and there it is. It's that easy. Now I'll continue with a traditional application with applying base to the entire nail and pouring clear powder over. Applying Seal Protect to the entire nail, filing, shaping, and buffing the nail, applying Seal Protect once more and rubbing it in with a lint-free wipe, applying top coat once and letting it dry, and applying top coat once more and we're done. Now for our second look, I'll grab my Petal Dust and Pure White. I'm going for a French ombre with this one, so I'll want the white to be at the free edge. So this one will be a little different. Since white is my lighter color, I'll start by applying that to the nail by applying the base a hairline away from the cuticle and dipping into white. Then dusting and applying base again to the full nail this time and dipping into white. Here I'll dust once more and grab my Petal Dust. Now instead of applying the powder to the tip, I'll reverse it and apply the powder around the cuticle area and blend it into the white. Basically for this technique, you'll always be dipping the lighter color and brushing on the darker color. Beautiful. Now I'll continue with the traditional application. And there you have it, the easiest dip ombre ever. Thanks for joining me, bestie. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when we post another hack just like this one. You won't want to miss it. Until next time, bye!